How to get rid of hiccups without water. Sometimes hiccups are painful. So if you want to know how to get rid of hiccups without water, then keep watching the video. If you like to know more about these kinds of useful tips and tricks, then kindly subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon so that every time we publish a video you will be notified of that. Now, let's get started. There is no need to eat or drink water to get rid of hiccups. Sometimes, a simple change in your breathing can help you to get rid of hiccups. 1. To get rid of hiccups, just sit, relax and straight and take deep breaths for 5 to 10 minutes. Inhale and exhale your breath slowly. 2. Hold your breath. Inhale your breath and hold it for 10 to 20 seconds and breath out slowly. This would make your hiccups vanish by the time you end your 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing exercise. If hiccups still persist, then go see your doctor. Some medications can cause hiccups, as can some diseases. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like and share the video with your friends and family.